Uh, Welcome back. Let's talk about the topic formatted strings. Up till now, we have just written simple strings, but we want a program that's dynamic, that's static. Let's say we have an Amazon page and we are working on Amazon actually. So when a user logs into their profile, while we wanted to display their name or what they have in the cart, in that case, we don't want to just hardcode and write every single user's name like Dilip, like Ravi. Well, ideally, what we can do here is have something dynamic where, let's say, it's a profile page and we simply use the name as a variable, right? So, and we display that on the page. Now, this name variable should equal whatever the user's name is. And this is something that we can grab from the database again and something that we will talk later on in the course. But let's assume that in here, when we do equals to, we are going to grab some user's name, right? Or user's information basically, which will be the name, and this name for now will be, let's say, John, Johnny. Let's go Johnny. And this Johnny we wanted to display on the profile page, and we can do that with formatting strings. We can simply do something like print and then say name, right? So let's do hi and then let's name. So it's hi Johnny, right? But as we get more and more information, let's say we have an age, um, and let me just put up here. So the age is 55. So if I wanted to extend the sentence and I wanted to say you are and then add hi plus age plus years old. Okay, and let's put here age. So now the age is not defined. So we need to enter type conversions are really important here. So you can see it here. If I enter here, name age is not defined. Let me just enter. Well, you can see here. Hi, you are your age is your age is 55 years old. John, right? Right. That was a little cumbersome, but we are making our Amazon page dynamic. We can grab different information from database and we will have in a string something according to the user. But there is a better way of doing this, and with formatting strings, all we need to do is add an F at the beginning. And this F at the beginning is going to tell Python, hey, this is going to be a formatted string. And instead of doing all this plus and name and all this stuff and doing the start to convert the type, we can simply do something like this. Uh, let's remove the brackets from here. Let's remove, let us put a name like this. Your reach. Years old, right? Right? This is a new feature of Python 3, like by adding f to the beginning. It's saying, hey, this is going to be a formatted string, and I wanted to just make these variables available. Strings inside of, well, the string, how much cleaner is that, right? Now, although this is nice and clean, and this is my preferred way of writing strings before Python 3, you didn't really have this. So in Python 2 and mine, this works in Python 3 as well. As you can see, we had something different to accomplish this. What we had, that the idea of a dot method format and dot format. So let's remove f from here. Let's remove f from here, and it is going to be the same thing for us. Like we do a bracket here again, um, and we put the same thing here, your age and years old, but this time I will just write here dot format and say Johnny, and I'll just use age 55. So the name is not defined. I think I think it should go like this. Well, here it is. Hi, Johnny. You are 55 years old. That works the same way. Well, this is it for here now. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.